So now, after adding this new manhole, uh, what should we do? We need a label here in the plan. Already we put labels here. So if you want to put in the profile, what should you do? And to put the label in the profile, we must we can do it by one or at all at the same time. So I will not put one by one. I will create label for all. So for that, the home tab, go to the invoice and wait after here the add label. Just click here. When you click here in the feature, select the pipe network because we are working on the pipe network. Here the label uh, entire plan because we are working in entire profile. So I will select entire profile. From here the pipe label, this pipe label is talking about this pipe. I will zoom in. So it's talking for the pipe label. So this profile length, it will show the profile length inside what you can see from here. It will show us. You can zoom this one here, and it will corrugated metal length like this station pipe R from the inside. You can select here. It will you see the 2D length. There is the 2D length and the description. You will see only. You can add anything you want. You can add from here. If you don't like what is here, you can replace or change, or you can add anything new you want. So from here the text size anything. So the next thing is the structure label. Structure label mean the manhole label. What we will see here in the manhole. The structure name, station, rim, some in what level like this. So if you want same like this one, the sample deviation, there are many things. According to your need, what you want to specify in your drawing, you can add from here. Okay. So the crossing pipe label, we don't have any crossing pipe, so we will not add anything here and then click X. Now it asking for select part in the profile view, any one part of the profile view. Suppose I will click here, and now you can see the structure 21. This name here, upset from right side, the rim elevation, sump elevation, inward out, and the reinforcement concrete. Okay, so if I click on the label, you can see it's the label for this manual. So you can attach like this, or I control Z if you want to be like this as well. Your choice. The next thing here, the label is on exactly above the pipe, as you can see here. So you can right click here, right click and go to R here, because if we put this label here, so just go inside this one. From the offset you can see this y offset is 2 meter. You can zoom this one. This offset is 2 meter. Offset 2 meter mean is above plus to value 2. So if you put -2, it will go below, or -5. Let's say -5, the below the 5. Plus value will go above. So let's check this one. Minus value, as you can see below. If you like this, it's good. If you don't like, put the plus value here, just 5, and then check what will happen. As you can see, which one you want, you can put the label on the pipe. If it's looking good like this, you could below, it's also better. For the manhole also you can change from here the connection point middle like this one. So you can add label to your profile, whole profile like this. Okay, the next thing, if you want to add a new manhole here, sometime we need to add manhole here. Sometime we need to change the pipe. I will close this one. The pipe description here. If I want to change the PVC pipe to HDP pipe like this. First of all, let's check the how to add a new manhole in this line. Or in this line, if I want to add, I will click here. From here, I will go to edit pipe network. When I go to edit pipe network, it's open the line 1, my sanitary part list, tab service. If everything is okay, then just go here and from 5 only select the structure only. So I want to add here, suppose before, as you can see, there are 2. Let's okay, I will insert here the new one. Let's say in the middle. If it doesn't open, click here, object selection, click select all. Okay. Now, as you can see the boxing sign, the boxing glove sign, press here and press enter, and now you can see it's added a new manhole here. A new manhole here. When I see above here, it's also got this in display also. Okay. The next thing, uh, if I want to change the pipe, suppose from this side I want to change the pipes size, pipe DP pipe like this. Just click on the pipe, go to save part, select the save part. Now, as you can see here, the dia, you can select the dia. Or if you want to add HDP pipe corrugated, suppose I want to change this one. Before this is UPVC pipe 75, I want to add 90 mm HDP pipe. Just click OK, and now you can see change here. It's also dynamically change here. So it's mean the Civil 3D when you change one thing automatically, it's change to other also. Okay. The next thing, if I want to change, suppose manhole this manhole is existing. Let's check the first thing here. This was for the existing one. This also we created a new, but it is existing one. So if I want to change the label, this structure 21, I don't like structure 21. Just click here, control 1. This for the property. So click on your manhole, and here you can see this is the structure. I will write existing manhole, and then press enter, and now you will see in the label this existing label. So it's mentioned here, it's very clear now. But as I go to the plan, and here also in the profile, the same sign for the as for the new one, from for the proposed one also is for the existing one. So it's better to change in the view in both the plan and profile, so anyone who will see this one, he will understand. Okay, so for that I will click on the manhole. I will go to the structure property. From here, as you can see, information in the information tab, this is existing manhole. I check here, this is basic cage basin player section here. Okay, if you don't have anyone, this is suppose this one, just take here, create copy from the current selection, and create for storm this one, just create for the existing one here, for the existing one. Just go to the plan, and the plan, okay, this storm manhole, you can change in the this one from this black name here, the size, so display in plan it's looking white, so this say when it is existent, it will look like this one, or it will look like this one. You can use any color. In the profile, I also want it shows like if it is existent. In the section, we don't need model or section, and click apply and OK. Just apply and OK. Now as you can see here, it's changed. You can change the dash line, anything, and as you can see here, it's also changed. So now, if anybody will see this one, he will understand this manhole is different from the other one. So it's something here. If I check the label, it's existing